osoro to tebi ninki Machogu akolete enjire engas Machogu ali gotoira ngai ali kubaira abwabe egere tomanye omungwano okorukwa Richard Mumaima Onyonka kagosoe campaign simbarati Oerire simbarati kene ngia gatebiri bantu kende nkeya gatebiri bantu ato tetinga tuja korosi gusi ebe chainenge boni ga gusi abere Islam Simba Bwarati agacha chichiro Simba Bwarati ya Simba ebyonsi pi Onyonka gakwanire
onya ni gae county option isi BC afadhali mugabo no yagendere go chimotwaria. I am telling you onye option no mugako ori ore go to Syrian tere ngao afadhali mugabo no yagendere togendere go chimotwaria mbare ngabanchira mangana ayo togendere onye option nere yo because we must be very
osoro to tebi ninki Machogu akolete enjire engas Machogu ali gotoira ngai ali kubaira abwabe egere tomanye nga Machogu tako option nga Machogu tako option boso nga Machogu tako option njirakie boni gabuni mtabi korokya Machogu ne roch kwa gavana bosongo abanyali bali ibali 150,000 bagwancha go chamo kusimwe ngwigwa abanyali bali bagwatanana bagwancha go chamo iko okolre abanyali bali bago chamo 150,000 okolre ndete ko batebya bangwana bali bosongo omungwano okorukwa Richard Mumaima Onyonka kagosoe campaign simbarati Oerire bonika inonchoka ni mugako oli mudiri nere muna mutagete murame mokora lakini ke goikira chinga ki Machogu akuchake campaign alafu ga mega yae Onyonka Mumaima mwachandikire nako kasana kora Mumaima no alingena matiange matanga Mumaima konyonsire iri sana baba nakagera naki mungwano yata mira matiange pakana bolike ndekyo bono tikante tukotebya bangwana bali bosongo ya muchaya Machogu kako bwatu na bangwana bako kunga Mumaima Onyonka na matiangi pamwe support boke tutu na nyali bali akora gasijo alafu tuma ko nyoro Onyonka ko kenda Machogu asba ko kenda munaga chire na simbarati onde tayo ranye gari timwe ndete muri gele chikilipu gocha ase campaign yale ko koria simbarati bali no Onyonka simbarati kene ngia gatebiri bantu kende nkeya gatebiri bantu ato tetinga tuja korosi gusi ebe chainenge boni ga gusi abere Islam kisi abere Islam kene omuntu gakwanire no Onyonka Simba Bwarati leta mache abataka babebuya Simba Bwarati olikaba ntu chikasi abatake gasi Simba Bwarati agacha chichiro Simba Bwarati ya Simba ebyonsi pi Onyonka gakwanire abangina bakura batabana wa Onyonka gagosoe campaign ya Machogu tinjo mo basi kuchaya mugakole nchina bataye so long as anyole ticket ya Jubilee matiangi ate nemega yae Oerire nale watebya bangwana bali bosongo inwike ntumara koli yoka tegera matiangi soko be president Machogu abe incompetent taba egasi mpaki akoro mumaiti matiangi obe matiangi tariko kanichecha most of these members of parliament mbataite matiangi chibese chiko ibucha CDF na matiangi ai wewe nje nabatai matiangi tariko kanichecha chisukuru chibesa njiriko na skuru matiangi akobatai chisukuru ai matiangi mu basa koligele matiangi okwana ngora mukaga mungwana na checha kago ikasi campaign eno taiko suka enengera mutika haya agwero mugambi moja morore ako kole igachi stream pakanje nakubeka matiangi kuraige paka koira Uganda tamenyo aya ngoso opposition egera akora bagusie gasi na matiangi koira ngoso opposition egera make sure amacha achire edamu ya achire gusi ngoso opposition immediately njona wate matiangi ntubwa damu gusi echo abangina barosire megongo ndrangi ya campaign lakini to kule campaign ni make sure nga matiangi ole trava gusibi ntoka yabona kile kintu kya muhimu bona lina ko batia ba nchwa bantu one space mole ba gusiba ito mwakiro muntu matiangi ko batichukura na matiang'i nerato omonto aroche ng'ana bagokonya gusii namaete abangwana abonsi matiang'i nabamaete matiang'i nabamaete simple ao omonto orakonya abanto amagenderero kabisa so bari bagochaya Machogu igoro yaino inche gento nakobasaba mochaya mogakori mochaya etimu gegoswa ekampeni yaete arati bagete ekampeni ere Donya Toto no Onyonka etimu yekabwa bono iga abanto bonsi pi Simbarati tababwati Donya mbagokona Simbarati gasi amo kene ngio barakora because bali already mbaitaine nende enjana neo Donya squeeze ria tali amuserekire haya ngorikire libuja Simbarati bono echinguru chiere oyo bwata abanto bono Machogu rieta kunyokwanure nane nebosongo juice kiro mutate ya munyali bari tigagambe bono ana bere gati munyali bari abange agambe lakini ngwikupia ababasi bagate ng'anto turi gweitera igone segire kare bosongo lakini kuruzi Simbarati is an incumbent gwikomu kiokoro si mchezo ngabono mwabukira mambi mwakire chukura mwajire korana nyombo uli Simbarati nero gete Fernandez Baraza akabe governor ya Kakamega boneka nenda mukireta akabe governor Ruto Karobis Simbarati arusitia ba youth bae bosongo akagenda mpaka Kakamega akalinda chukura chikago bakabwa kina kingo kotebiga mo base kuchaya Simbarati lakini Simbarati abaso kuchaya oburito bwa Machogu omungwano n'abato burito kitaguchanabo kakonyora babo Onyonka ngano bali campaign bali komatika so yatutwara botoerero yatuanchane siasa ngongere bantu mbakumoya mbia mno sana ya saba seseni.
Welcome to Humphrey's Hill House. Humphrey's is a boutique hotel located on Kyonganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kyonganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphrey's, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.